Where did you grow up? Ki koto te grandi? Where did you grow up? Ki koto te grandi?
I grew up in Haiti. Mwen te grandi Haiti. I grew up in Haiti. Mwen te grandi Haiti.
Where do you live? Ki koto habite? Where do you live? Ki koto habite? I live in New York. Mwen habite New York. I live in New York. Mwen habite New York. What do you do for a living? Ki sa ou fè pou viv? What do you do for a living? Ki sa ou fè pou viv? I am an English teacher. Mwen son professeur anglais. I am an English teacher. Mwen son professeur anglais. Are you a lazy person? Esko son moun ki paresse? Are you a lazy person? Esko son moun ki paresse? No, I'm not a lazy person. Non, mwen pa yon moun ki paresse. No, I'm not a lazy person. Do you have any siblings? Esko gen frè ak sè? Do you have any siblings? Esko gen frè ak sè?
Yes, I have one brother and 2 sisters.
Oui, mwen gen yon frè ak 2 sè.
Yes, I have one brother and 2 sisters.
Are you friendly? Eske ou amical? Are you friendly? Eske ou amical? Do you have a nickname? Eske ou gen yon sinon? Do you have a nickname? Eske ou gen yon sinon? Yes, I have a nickname. Oui, mwen gen yon sinon. Yes, I have a nickname. Oui, mwen gen yon sinon. Ring the bell. Sonne cloche la. Ring the bell. Sonne cloche la. He is very handsome. Li très beau. He is very handsome. Li très beau. Where is my backpack? Kote valiz mwen ya? Where is my backpack? Kote valiz mwen ya? I will help him. Mwen prale deli. I will help him. Mwen prale deli. I am very happy. Mwen tre kontan. I am very happy. Mwen tre kontan. She is so charming. Li tre chama. She is so charming. Li tre chama. I know him. Mwen konen li. I know him. Mwen konen li. Don't be shy. Pi go timide. Don't be shy. Pi go timide. Hurry up. Dépêchez ou. Hurry up. Dépêchez ou. Close the door. Fermez porte là. Close the door. Fermez porte là. I work here. Map travail ici. I work here. Map travail ici. You should buy it. Ou dwe acheter li. You should buy it. Ou dwe acheter li. I am in a good mood. Mwen nan bon sam. I am in a good mood. Mwen nan bon sam. He's very nice. Li tre gentil. He's very nice. Li tre gentil. Li tre sympa. I trust you. Mwen fè ou confiance. I trust you. Mwen fè ou confiance. How do you feel? Comment senti-ou? How do you feel? Comment senti-ou? I know them. Mwen konen yo. I know them. Mwen konen yo. Everything is alright. Tout bagay bien. Everything is alright. Tout bagay bien. Don't be selfish. Pa égoïste. Don't be selfish. Pa égoïste. It's a good idea. C'est une bonne idée. It's a good idea. C'est une bonne idée. Follow us. Suive-nous. Follow us. Suive-nous. Wake up. Réveillez-vous. Wake up. Réveillez-vous. I'm not afraid. Mwen pa pe. I'm not afraid. Mwen pa pe. Wait here. Tan ici. Wait here. Tan ici. He is scared. Li pe, li effrayé. He is scared. Li pe, li effrayé. Take a peek. Jete yon kou d'œil. Take a peek. Jete yon kou d'œil. Who is she? Qui est lié? Who is she? Qui est lié? She's my best friend. Li se meye zami mwen. She's my best friend. Li se meye zami mwen. I apologize. Mwen eskize mwen. I apologize. Mwen eskize mwen. Don't be late. Pi gawan reta. Don't be late. Pi gawan reta. Come here. Vin ici. Come here. Vin ici. Stand up. Camper. Stand up. Camper. Sit down. Chita. Sit down. Chita. She said no. Li te di non. She said no. Li te di non. Stop him. Camper li. Stop him. Camper li. Let's go dance. An nou al danse. Let's go dance. An nou al danse. He's very smart. Li tre intelligent. He's very smart. Li tre intelligent. Let me out. Kite m soti. Let me out. Kite m soti. You got me. Aprann. You got me. Aprann. I am kidding. Se blag map fe. I am kidding. Se blag map fe. Go faster. Ale pi vite. Go faster. Ale pi vite. Talk to him. Parle avec li. Talk to him. Parle avec li. Can I come in? Eske mwen ka entre? Can I come in? Eske mwen ka entre? What a coincidence. Quelle coïncidence. What a coincidence. Quelle coïncidence. Let's get married. An nou marié. Let's get married. An nou marié. Please help me. Aidez-moi s'il vous plaît. Please help me. Aidez-moi s'il vous plaît. I am busy. Mwen occupé. I am busy. Mwen occupé. I am your neighbor. Mwen se voisin. I am your neighbor. Mwen se voisin. Let's go together. An nou ale ansam. Let's go together. An nou ale ansam. It doesn't matter. Ça pa gen importance. It doesn't matter. Ça pa gen importance. Look at me. Gade mwen. Look at me. Gade mwen. I have an answer. Mwen gen yon repons. I have an answer. Mwen gen yon repons. Take your time. Pren tan. Take your time. Pren tan. That's awesome. Ça génial. That's awesome. Ça génial. It's already done. Ça déjà fait. It's already done. Ça déjà fait. You're right. Ou gen raison. You're right. Ou gen raison. I wish you the best. Mwen souwete ou le meye. I wish you the best. Mwen souwete ou le meye. Why not? Pou ki sa? Why not? Pou ki sa? I remember. Mwen sonje. I remember. Mwen sonje. I don't remember. Mwen pa sonje. I don't remember. Mwen pa sonje. Do me a favor. Fais-moi yon faveur. Do me a favor. Fais-moi yon faveur. I have a date.
Mwen gen yon rendez-vous. Rendez-vous sa se nan sens amoureux. Lò gen rendez-vous ak yon jen fi ou bien yon jen garçon.
I have a date. She forgot. Li te bliye. She forgot. Li te bliye. Let me see. Kite mwe. Let me see. Kite mwe. It's not your fault. C'est pas faute. It's not your fault. C'est pas faute. Have a seat. Fais yon ti chita. Have a seat. Fais yon ti chita. Good luck. Bonne chance. Good luck. Bonne chance. Let's start. An nou komanse. Let's start. An nou komanse. I need help. Mwen bezwen aide. I need help. Mwen bezwen aide. What time is it? Ki lè liye? What time is it? Ki lè liye? Are you ready? Esko prêt? Are you ready? Esko prêt? I am ready. Mwen prêt. I am ready. Mwen prêt. You know what? Ou kon ki sa? You know what? Ou kon ki sa? That's unbelievable. Sa incroyable. That's unbelievable. Sa incroyable. I am strong. Mwen fort. I am strong. Mwen fort. I heard you. Mwen te tande ou. I heard you. Mwen te tande ou. Let's take a picture. An nou fè yon photo. Let's take a picture. An nou fè yon photo. Listen to me. Tande mwen. Listen to me. Tande mwen. It's very good. C'est très bien. It's very good. C'est très bien. I want to talk to you. Mwen vle pale ave ou. I want to talk to you. Mwen vle pale ave ou. Why me? Pou ki sa se mwen? Why me? Pou ki sa se mwen? Be careful. Fort prudent. Be careful. Fort prudent. I have a lot to do. Mwen gen an pil pou m'fè. I have a lot to do. Mwen gen an pil pou m'fè. I like him. Mwen remen li. I like him. Mwen remen li. I have a computer. Mwen gen yon ordinateur. I have a computer. Mwen gen yon ordinateur. I know her. Mwen konen li. I know her. Mwen konen li. Let's get married. An nou marye. Let's get married. An nou marye. The client is waiting. Client ap tan. The client is waiting. Client ap tan. You did a great job. Ou te fè yon bon travay. You did a great job. Ou te fè yon bon travay. The meeting has been cancelled. Réunion te annulée. The meeting has been cancelled. Réunion te annulée. That's not feasible.
C'est pas faisable. That's not feasible. C'est pas faisable.